Think carefully before rushing into recruiting. It shouldn't be an unconsidered reaction to get the job done. Take time and think of your ongoing business strategy. Looking at the longer term, ask yourself what you want to achieve and who you need to help you achieve it. The financial implications of hiring your first employee are significant. As well as the salary and the cost of recruitment itself, there are other costs to consider. The first is tax and national insurance contributions. You have to make NI contributions on your employee's behalf through the PAYE system. This means that you have to set up a payroll scheme with HM Revenue and Customs. Full details about this and the current rates of NI contributions are on the HM Revenue and Customs website. You can do this yourself, although it does take time. Alternatively, your accountant can do it for you, but remember, this is a service that they charge for. There's also now a requirement to make pension contributions for employees too, so this has to be factored into your costs. Another consideration is employees' liability insurance. It's a legal requirement to have this in place. Most insurance brokers can arrange this for you, but again, there's a cost involved. Health and safety is another area to consider. Health and safety regulations have increased in recent years, and you have a legal requirement to provide employees with a healthy and safe workplace. Make sure you know how the regulations affect your business. As well as costs, you may have to make adjustments to the way you work. There are practical considerations too. Where is your new employee going to work? Do they need a desk, a computer, a uniform or special workwear, or any specialist equipment? What about training? Do they need training now? And what about in the future? The other financial factor to consider is how an employee is going to affect your cash flow. For many businesses, employee wages are the largest fixed expense, and you must have the ongoing cash flow to pay wages and associated costs. Make sure you are fully aware of all the implications involved in taking on a new employee before you consider taking the plunge. There may be alternatives to full-time direct employment that can ease you into becoming an employer. These are covered later in this module.